Yo, g'day guys, Clevo King here. Got the new engine together and in the ute. Everything's connected. We're just about to hit the key here and turn this thing on for the first time. Just give you a bit of backstory. It's a Mick Webb 357 long rod engine that was built in the mid 90s and it was actually never ran. Sat around for 20-25 years, and it's got a set of 2V closed chamber Yellowterra heads that are fully rebuilt, modified, which I'll talk more about in another video. We're running the Edelbrock RPM air gap intake, probably 650 double pumper. I've got a 750 and an 850. I've got heaps of carbies inside, guys. We're going to just run the 650 for now because that's what was on the old combo. It's proven. We're running now a Yellowterra Platinum 173 ratio roller rocker, Trent 80 thou heavy duty push rods, Ford Racing rocket covers. This is like a Pro Comp Dizzy that's been rebushed inside. We've blocked off the advance and we've fitted it all out with genuine Bosch parts. It's got a Bosch cap made in Australia. It's got a Bosch module and we've staked and pinned the stator on the reluctor. This is basically as good as a Bosch Dizzy, but it is a new aftermarket one. And a set of 9mm Eagle leads. We're running the GMB Japanese mechanical water pump. Something different I've done on this combo, guys, is the loop there, because I drive this ute a lot. I've had a lot of trouble with blowing these block offs. Everything's in, guys. I'm about to turn the key for the first time. Thanks, bro, for giving me a hand with this, man. Really appreciate it.
Waiting to hear this. Come on, bro. We've all been waiting. Everyone's waiting.
It's a bit of a nervous moment. Maybe do you want to get the camera?
There's big shoes to fill, bro.
Because you know your last combo was just something else.
The most important thing, guys, is to make sure that you know all your senders, everything's connected, everything's blocked off. There's a lot of work involved. Oil pressure is the first thing I'm going to be looking at. We've already primed the system. Make sure you watch my other videos, guys. I've got a couple of videos where I break in a camshaft and I show some pre-break-in checks. If you watch that, you'll have no issues building a Clevo, putting something together like this at home like we do. Alright, let's keep it on.
Okay, watch the oil pressure.
Let's have a look. We've primed the carby and everything. Not sure how easy it'll come on, but I've done all of the checks. Make sure it's in park. Right. Oh, fuel's low. Ooh. It came on straight away, so that's good.
Awesome, right, bro. Okay, get the revs up.
The breaker came in, you've got to get the revs straight up to 2000, guys. Don't let it slouch around. Straight up. Keep it between two.
Listen to it, guys. Sounds sweet.
Sounds sweet, bro.
What I was saying, guys, get it straight over 2000 and keep it between 2000 and 2500 revs. Don't let the revs drop. You don't want to hold it consistent for too long either. You want to kind of up and down a bit, get a bit of a feel for the throttle. Keep it between 2 and 2.5. Whoopsie, that's a bit low.
Oil pressure's awesome. Look at the oil pressure, guys.
Yeah, very important. Make sure your belts and your oil pressure are good. Temperature's already starting to move a little bit.
Let's check it back out, guys. Double check for any leaks. Sounds mint, bro.
You want to drop the revs a bit, guys, because that's what beds the rings into the bores, the deceleration. You don't want to hold it too steady in one spot. Keep it wavering a bit. This is beautiful, man. This sounds mint.
It sounds good, bro.
it smells nice too. Nothing's leaking. Take over, bro. I'll keep the throttle. Okay.
Everything sounds pretty good. Temperature's good, fuel's a bit low, oil's good. Oh, this sounds beautiful, guys. Sounds beautiful, that's perfect. Oh, you've got it spot on, bro. 2200 feet. You got that feel for it. Woo! We got Dad's beast over in the shed behind us.
I can tell it's perfect. I've got it
minutes now.
Temp's awesome.
I might end the video here. We'll pick it back up once it's done the braking and when it's idling.
20 minutes.
Yeah, no, but you get the idea. This thing's gonna be mint, and I'll chuck my jerry can in.
Oh, it sounds bad. Yep, that's it. That's the ticket.
That's awesome.
This is it, bro. It already sounds so
I'm
much
excited.
better.
Thanks for all of your help, man.
You can. It's awesome. You slowly hear the transition, guys, from the fresh can. There's a little bit of resistance, and then as it heats up, bit of temp gets in, you hear it smooth out, and it's a beautiful thing, guys. And
Wow.
Sure, there's roller cams out there, you know, they're good, but guys, the flat tappet stuff.
It's
so
always
much
a bit
fun.
nervous when you're starting at a brand new engine for the first time. The engine
Awesome.
sat for a long time. There was a lot of little issues we had to take care of. You obviously can't just drop an engine in a car that's sat for 20 years. But when you have a bit of attention to detail and you sort it all out, gee, I think we're going to be happy with the result, man. This is going to be sick.
Make sure you smash a like and subscribe, guys.